They need their medicines on time, no delays. It's not a leisure activity. It's not an impulsive buy.
So Abhishek, let's begin with you telling us, what does your usual day look like at Platinum RX?
Cool. So I lead the supply chain at Platinum RX. I've been here for over a year and we've been running for close to 2.5 years. Personally, I look after, given that we are in a category which is essential, right?
Right.
Medicines. So customers' expectations are critical. They need their medicines on time, no delays. It's not a leisure activity. It's not an impulsive buy, right? It's a planned pre-purchased items. And so my core responsibility is to ensure that, we are able to deliver to our customers on time and the fastest way possible. Core principle of my role is reducing my delivery times and reaching customer as fast as possible.
Whether I'm a customer from tier 1 or maybe I'm from tier 2 or tier 3, how do you make sure that the experience standpoint is very consistent throughout?
Regardless of where you come from as a customer, right, the experience you get on our platform, be it on the app or web, it's broadly similar. The differences will only arrive in terms of how soon can you get the medicines delivered to you. We started from Bangalore, then we had a physical presence in Delhi, and we have plans to be present in multiple more cities and then fulfill their orders in a much faster speeds. But as a customer, if you're coming from tier 2, tier 3, so the value prop that we provide is we focus on substitute medicines.
Right.
You're a chronic patient suffering from any chronic disease, right? And you have to take these medicines for lens at end. Substitutes, by nature of how they are, they offer you that savings on medical bills, right? You can save up to 60-70%, and that's what we focus on. So we are delivering to roughly 18,000 pin codes in India. How do we ensure that customer who is from, let's say, I am based out of Bangalore, somebody is getting their medicines within same day, next day, right? How do I do that for a customer who is probably living in some other tier 2, tier 3 cities? That's what I work, that's the agenda. What we as a business try to optimize on is working with the best logistics partners who, they are delivering on time, and that the performance, they're actually able to, fulfill that promise of delivery. At the same time, we run a bunch of different initiatives. We have subscription programs like Platinum RX Edge membership, where if you're an Edge membership, you get free deliveries regardless of wherever you are from, right? If you are from tier 3 cities, you can enjoy the same benefits as a tier 1 user.